Hello my friends, welcome to another video, and this time around I'm gonna give you a short tutorial on how to install the Google HDR Plus camera on your Samsung S9, S9 Plus or on any other Android powered device. This is a very simple way to have the Google camera on your device, and I highly encourage you to download it and install it and start using it, because the software in this camera app is absolutely amazing and the results that it brings are simply beautiful. So let's go ahead. It's a very simple tutorial. You only need to go to this website called apkquick.com and you need to find the camera app. As you can see, Google HDR Plus. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on this link, it will open another page. Go ahead, download the APK, enable installation from unknown resources on your device in the security settings, and install the APK that you just downloaded. This is so simple. Also, after everything is done, open up the camera app, go to the settings, and in the settings go right here where it says configuration or configure camera HDR Plus, and pick up Nexus 6 HDR Plus Auto. If you don't pick this up, you won't have HDR Plus enabled on your device. Also, you can choose if you want the quality of the JPEG, also if you want to compress or not the raw files, and some different other settings for the camera. In the menu, go ahead, click here where it says HDR Plus, and from auto mode put it into HDR Plus activated or always on, whatever. And now you are good to go. You are good to shoot pictures and to enjoy some of the best pictures that you've ever taken with your device. I've installed it because I had some issues, if you want, with the Samsung camera app that comes with the S9 Plus. Mainly my problem is that all pictures have a tendency of coming out too soft, and there is a lot of loss in detail, and this is something that I don't appreciate, especially coming from the Huawei Mate 10 that took some of the best photos that I've ever taken with a smartphone. Very crisp, full of details, great white balance, and also color rendition. And I've noticed using the S9 Plus that there are some issues, and basically there is a huge loss of details in pictures, no matter the mode, especially in portrait mode, and it somewhat ruined my experience. So I went ahead, installed the Google camera, and now picture quality for me looks a lot better. I actually enjoy taking pictures with the Google camera, mainly because they don't come out as soft as they did. For example, and I won't make this video too long, this is a picture taken with Samsung's own camera app. As you can see right here. And this one is a picture taken with Google's camera app. And I like it a lot more. It just looks better, at least to my eyes. Also, another thing that I've noticed, the Google camera app favors the phone to take pictures with the wider aperture available, f1.5, compared to the Samsung camera app that favors the f2.4 aperture. So this is something strange to me, if you want, but the best thing is that I don't see so much noise as I used to see when using the Samsung camera app, and that basically ruined most of the pictures that I was taking, especially in low light and indoors. One thing to notice is that slow motion does not function on the Google camera app, at least not on the Samsung S9 Plus. Whenever I try to activate super slow motion, the app simply force closes. So keep this in mind if you're interested in I don't know, taking a lot of super slow-mo videos. Portrait mode looks simply amazing with the Google camera app compared to the soft pictures that the Samsung camera app took. This pretty much does it for this video. As I said, very simple way to install the Google camera app on your device and to start enjoying some of the best pictures that you've ever taken with your device. This works on the S9, S9 Plus, every single other Samsung device, and on probably 90% of Android devices. So go ahead, install it, and see you in the next one. Peace.